Okay, everybody, hello. We are back with making another train map. I'm hoping my mic is actually working properly. Someone's just messaging me on Steam here. I don't really know. I'm probably gonna end up popping these comments out here because you guys are awesome and I want to see what you guys are saying. So, we're just gonna do what we did before. I'm actually like a couple streams late, so I might as well, just try to keep up with this as best as possible. But where we left off before, we had a train track and an amazing rail, which I had some time to fix here, which I'm really proud of because I used the arc tool that I just discovered in Hammer. So this is for a train, you plop your train down here and he can just rail and then go back into here. And with that being said, I'm hoping that I can do a lot of geometry with it, try to get it as perfect as possible, PAP, perfect as possible. And just, go on with it. So this is an arc I just created, and I want to have this basically go in one of the correct directions here. I'm going to need to orient it so that it comes down like this and kind of loops like an arc this way. And to do that, I think I'm going to actually raise it up just a pinch. I'm going to probably put it like up to here, as much as I need it. I'm not going to know how much I'll need it up to now, but that's okay. I'm going to texture it no draw because I don't actually want it to do that quite yet. And this should all be a group. Yeah, okay. And then so y-axis, I believe, 90. Yeah, that was pretty good. And then z-axis 90. That's going to be x-axis 180. And it's going to be almost how we need it. And we'll just 180 it for z-axis. And it's pretty much right where we want it. So we'll just move this over here. Da 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 da. Awesome. And we'll put it like this. We'll be sure to use the trimming tool to get it to its correct shape. But now that it's where we want it, we'll go ahead and we'll shape it as best as we can. So we'll take it up probably about, I'd say, because we're going to want to match the slope here. One of the best slopes that fits into place, which I'd say is about right here. And so if we just come over here, we can probably see where that is. And we're going to ignore groups here. We're going to delete every one of the blocks up here, except for, you know what, that's kind of getting repetitive, so we'll do this, come up here, hit enter, and it should have selected, no, it didn't even select what we wanted it to, kind of weird, and we'll go like this, we'll move the brushes up here, actually we wanted it up here, that's why it didn't work, everybody, okay, that makes more sense. We'll hit enter, we'll deselect these rails because we want those selected, we don't want to delete them, and we'll go back up here and we'll remove our boundary beneath it so that we just have these selected. And the truth is I could have been done by now, but we got all of them deleted anyway, so that's great. That's awesome. And now this is a really, 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 really sharp turn here. But if I go back into my group tool, I can actually see that all these brushes align how I want them to, but I think I'm going to end up just fixing it anyways. And what I mean by that, I'm going to just carry it downwards. You see what's happened now? It's getting proportional to the little slope that I have here. And, it kind of does this wonky thing here. I don't know why the two vertices right here ended up kind of rising a little bit. They should not have done that, but I'll just scoot them over a pinch so that I fix them. And I think that, yeah. Well, it seems like it would have fixed there. And then here I just got some more. So I can just put them like this. And it's still a little up. Like that. Yeah, I'm sure that's okay. And we'll go back here. Fix this vertice and put it back into where we need it. And hey, guess what? Like every other stream, my headset starts beeping, and I gotta turn on some music so it won't stop. It won't start beeping. Like I've said many times, the only reason it beeps is because there's no sound playing through it, and so it's just a power saver, and it expects to turn off. So I got this here, just some of the music. I'm gonna turn it down. Be sure it's on repeat. Play it, and we should be good there. My desktop audio shouldn't be too high. It's actually -7 decibel, but that's supposed to really kind of go over compensate with my voice, so as I'm talking. That shouldn't die now. It says a lot of vertices with it too, so that's, that's kind of a weird thing, but not really. It makes sense. And we're going to need to put these all where they need to be. I'm going to select both of these sides of the tracks. We're going to put these vertices where they should go. I mean, we could start with this one. It didn't matter which one we did first, but I'm going to put that up there, and I have a reason for that, which I'll explain in a little bit. And there's this one here, which I actually somehow ended up not selecting properly. So I'll just select both of them like that again. And let me go to my live dashboard. Okay, I got one watching. That's great. So hello, one watching, one person, whoever that could be. Who knows? I'll go back to this and fix this one. Perfect, so they're aligned, and we'll go back here, fix these two vertices, and kaboom, they are done. And so that is really just aligning that set of the track, and you're probably like, oh, well, you gotta fix the middle of it. I'll get to that, don't even worry about it. That seems to do quite well for now. You know, honestly, I should have kind of placed it further out a little more. Not by a whole lot. I mean, I want it to come together with these tracks up here, which I should probably bring forward just a bit. That's a good idea, right? I mean, what can you expect? We'll put them right there. Right there, and my Steam is flashing because someone messaged me. It's just a guy talking about a map that I made. So I've made a lot of maps, and I have pretty sure I have a description of the maps in my comments, so you can download all my Steam maps if you feel like it, of course, you know. No pressure. I'm not like professional at making maps or anything, but you get it. That's going really far underneath, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to take the trimming tool right here, and I'm going to destroy all the brushes underneath that, which might be kind of harmful to the engine. I don't know. It might be more difficult to compile, but I doubt it. That probably was preposterous what I just said, but this side's good. There's not really a reason to keep messing around with it. I think it's fine. Yeah, I think it's okay. So we'll select all this, and the moment we've all been waiting for, we'll trim out all of this because we want these to all be halved so that we can get that middle part of the railroad just easily delete, which is what we've been looking for the past 7 minutes with the stream. Okay, get these guys up here. One thing that bothers me in the GMod workshop, oh, the other guy messaging me. So sorry about that, but you know, people have questions. Lack of good ancient Egyptian maps, yeah. Never really seen those in the workshop too often, but you know. I'm just looking at the chat, okay. And that should be fine. I don't think this is gonna be too crucial. You know, what am I even saying? I think this is kind of hard of a slope. But, I mean, you have to understand, this is how big a person is, right? So I'm gonna actually put this guy over here, right to where our slope is. There he is, okay. And a train is going to be about this long from where he is. So, that being said, you know, I want this train to be oriented best as possible. I don't want it to just, you know, have this easy intuition for just flying off the tracks like they mostly do. And, you know, that really calls for me to fix this again, which I really hate doing, but, you know, what's the least that could bother me if I'm fixing my map, right? Just carry this guy up more. Awesome. And there we go. And we're gonna stretch him out more. Can we... Oh, is there a reason to do that? Yeah, there is. We'll stretch it out more. Should we do this? Yes? No? Yeah? Yeah? I think that's a good idea. Well, I can fix that fairly, Wow, I just full screened it. I don't know what I pressed. I think it's like Z? Shift Z? No, Shift Z. Yeah, Shift Z. I don't know why that makes it full screen. It's so dumb. It's not like they're horrible at software developers for this, but Oh, you can actually see how much more bumpy it's getting. Like these brushes here didn't work out too well. But you know, I do think that's a big problem. I would if if it becomes a massive problem, I'll go back and fix it. But for now, we're not gonna worry about it. We're gonna put this where it needs to be and the other side of the brush where it needs to be. But to start off, I'm gonna fix these edges here. I'm gonna put them actually aligned on the units here. So we're gonna want to see that. I'll put it there. The reason I did that is because it's going to be a lot easier to select that vertice and put it where it needs to be. And we can take this one. Oh my goodness. Wow. Wow. No, I'm going to need to ignore groups there. Okay, enter. Put this vertice here. Did I really not get the other one here? It's so dumb. Hate when things just don't work out sometimes. I was like, wow, why is that off when I just fixed it? Of course. Some stupid reason. That, honestly, ooh, I don't know. It's definitely gonna come up a little harsh. But, really, other than anything, yeah, I know I just did that again, but I'm just trying to make it fit, if you know what I mean. And it actually didn't even end up changing that side of it at all, so that's great. There's nothing over here, which I could kind of expect that there'd be something over there. But oh no, why not? We'll put this one here. Ta-da! Ooh. See, this is what I'm talking about. It's bumpy, like, within the middle of it like this. I don't know why it did that. It's like the dumbest thing ever. Which, you know what? I've got time. I'm just gonna fix it real quick, and I'm gonna come up with a new arc, because this one is just absolutely horrible. And I don't know why it went horrible on me all of a sudden, but yeah, goodbye. We'll get a new one. So we'll just come over here, and we'll try to do this as quick as possible. I'm gonna increase my brush size here. There we go. I like how it's actually aligning with it like it should. This is what I was trying to get for the past non-streaming times. Did I... What? I don't... No. No, I need the block tool. 1024. Awesome. Wait, what do we... why aren't my tools here? Primitives. Oh, there we go. I don't know what prefab is, but let's hit enter. So we have an arc of 90. That's what we did before, but it ended up becoming kind of a problem. I don't know why. Let me preview this as circle. Preview. See, it doesn't work as well. Let's do 64. Maybe it just needs more, you know. See, that made more, but you can actually see in this preview here that some of the vertices are just off. Generally, I don't know why they're off like that. And if I wanted an arc of 90, which, ooh, I don't know about that. Let's go ahead and try it, shall we? Yeah, you can still see how it's just kind of rugged right here. It's not actually smooth like I want it to be. Which is, you know, I'm not up to putting up with that, so we're just gonna have to keep trying it until we get it to work. Just like the old days, right? Let's see, it's set back to that. Let's do... It came back to 32 and I had it to 64. That's what I was trying to say. Let me turn on my light here. I need to turn on both my lights because I can have a hard time seeing when it gets dark really fast in the winter. Spring/winter, you know what I mean. Arc is 90. I don't think I need to change this to 45, do I? Let's just do it anyway. Did that fix anything? No, it didn't. If anything, it made it worse. Which makes absolutely no sense in the world. But you know what? Hey, we'll learn from this. Maybe we'll figure out why it's doing it. Circle. Let me preview this. This is okay. This is what I'm looking for, but it just doesn't even work. Sets the wall width. That's 32. That's exactly what I want. When yet, if I... What is start angle? What does that do? Oh, I see. No, we don't want to mess with that. The arc, I don't know why it would do this. Let's go to 370. What happens when you do that? Oh, okay, this doesn't even work. 8. These are in degrees. At least they're not in radians. 44. That's, yeah, see, if I went to 90, it just seems rugged. Why does it, I don't know why it's doing that. Let me change it to 16. Does that fix, like, anything at all? Wall width, I don't know. Change the wall width to, like, 32. Doesn't even do, like, anything. 16, I want that to be 32 as well, but it has kind of an issue. It totally has an issue. I don't doubt it. Did it just do it again? Well, I put it to 16. This looks okay. Don't get me wrong. This arc looks like perfectly fine. But now let's go to 32 and let's see what it complains about. Let's see. Arc. We'll set the arc to 32. Yes, that's what we want. Hit enter. 32, 32 for both. 90. And that's what we were looking for. Did it fix? No, that's right. I think it got it right. It'd be hard to tell if it's not right, but I don't see how it couldn't be. Let's just try a 64 one. Let's just try it really fast. If it doesn't work, we'll immediately go back to what we were doing before. Maybe I need to change this, but I don't know. Do I? Oh, well, yeah, okay. Hit enter. Okay. Number of sides, 64 will change. Wall width to 64, which is probably not what we want, but we'll do it anyway. And are we having problems? No, this looks perfectly fine. No, wait, does it? I don't know. It's so I don't know. I think it's fine. Yeah, we'll go with it. Go with it. Go with it. Go with it. I don't care. It's fine. We're not gonna spend hours upon hours trying to fix it properly. Oh, I need to fix my units. Yeah, they're like way down there still. We'll bring this guy up. Orient it. No, this is, yeah, y-axis 90, and then z-axis 90, and then x-axis 180, and that's where we need it. Okay, oh, no, other way. Okay, 180 z-axis, and we'll just put it just like this. Like we did before, but we have to do it again, sadly. That's fine, so we'll just match the slopes. We'll put this slope up to this one, which actually came in perfectly. I don't know how or why, more or less, that it did. Like, work now, not later. To be honest, I'm gonna do it like this time if I want to delete the other side, because it's just gonna be faster, and for me to walk way over across the map, deselect the viz cluster and everything, it's just not worth it. I think it's fine, but all the more we'll do it like this. And now that should be good. Yeah, let's delete that. Let's delete that. That's fine. Yeah, we can put our groups back to normal, visible. And with this one, because I have more angles than the last one, I can actually go like this. Much better. Or much better is the, the thing, because like I said, it's bigger, the angles are more aligned. Well, I take that back. I don't know why that one's more up higher than the others. I don't know. You know what? Maybe the Steam developers of this kind of thought the same thing. Like, oh, I don't know why the arc tool isn't working. And yeah, it works. It's just not, And yeah, we want it to be like, I guess as long as possible, but not as long as possible. Let's bring this down just a bit. Okay. Do we want to make the rails go to what that is? Nah, it's okay. We'll just watch as best as we can. Put that to that. That's okay, yeah. We'll go with that. We will go with it. Amazing. Okay. Now we can take our brush, our clipping tool, go on this side, and that side, which is what we're looking for, which will allow us to now, oh, jeez, I really hate doing this, but we're gonna need to select both these ends here, and we're gonna need to delete them. That just came up in my face. Why did it do that? The world may never know. Do it on this side too. I want this to be as nice as possible. This nice jump here, the train's going to be able to just jump right off it. It's going to be amazing. Especially if I can get these things oriented properly. And it's doing that again. Of course. It's because I'm clicking too fast. And you're probably wondering, well, why aren't you clicking faster, Zephyr? But, you know, it's because it's not working. Not working like I'd want it to. There we go. Just like this one. See how noticeably sharp that angle is? It's not sharp. I get it, but it's noticeable. It's way too noticeable. It should be like a lot smoother. And I probably just wasted my time trying to make this better because really it isn't. And these angles here, like, they're pretty dang thick. I have to get on with that. As much as I wish to have all the time in the world to experiment with that, I really don't want to. We'll do this. Yeah. Okay, we'll jump straight through all these. Wait, is it doing what I think it's doing? I mean, yeah, it's working. That's what I meant. We'll do this one. And that one. And that one. Yes. Okay, cool. Not that cool, but you know what I mean. Maybe we'll do it like a little sharper. Yeah, let's go a little sharper. Shouldn't take that long either. Well, let's not trim that quite yet. Let's go back to this side over here, and we'll get the bottom of it. How about that? Does this sound like a plan? Yeah, I think it does. Select that one. Wait. Oh, so it's going there. Right, okay. Which way? Was it this way? Yes, it was. Okay. So I can delete the bottom of it. Completely delete the bottom. These guys right here, these can come out. Yeah. Yeah, totally. There we go. Right where they need to be. What's the... That's better. Let's just put it that way. It's better than it was before. I know it looks so bad, but that's it. It doesn't make me feel really horrible when a train is going to go down it. And the truth is, a train's probably going to derail the first time we try it, but you know, the first time you don't succeed, we'll try again. Which almost, you know, isn't applicable in this case because it never wants to work. But I mean, I guess the logic is different if it just doesn't want to work. If you know what I mean. Put that guy there. Yes, okay. Hit OK. Now we're really just off to texturing it, which I don't know how well is gonna work, but I think nah, that's obviously too sloped. That's way obviously way too sloped. I don't know what I'm gonna do at this point. I think I'm gonna carry it more this way. And of course, you know, yeah, sure. Just select. Don't select the one I wanted to select. You know. Over that much. I mean, I don't want a big slope. This is a positive slope here, but it's, well, negative slope if we're coming from the left direction, but. Oh, I see what's going on. Okay, so I'm gonna need to push this more this way. That's how it works. So let's go that way more. let's put this one here. See, it's coming together better. You can tell where it's trying to meet up. Oh yeah, there's that vertex, and we're trying to select this one. There we go. Put this guy right there. Awesome. Yeah, better than it was before. I really need to get rid of this nick right here. Vertex here. We'll do that. There we go. That's fine, right? Totally, yeah. Doesn't matter that much. Not a big problem. Oh, wait, no, I need the clipping tool. So let's go here. Ooh, that would be better. Let's just clip this entire section here. Yeah, that's nice. That's really nice. I appreciate that a lot. Yeah. Go under, like, right here. Excellent. Excellent, excellent, excellent. Okay. Isn't that, like, so much better than before? Like, the train would barely even get anywhere before. Like, it would just derail. That was its problem. The train had a big problem before, you know? Oh, did the slope really just now start getting awkward? Well, these are the same orientations, so I guess it's gonna need to be 0. Yeah, I don't know why. I don't know why it forced me to change that. So now we're just really off to texturing it. That is if my clipping was entirely finished, which it's not, but it doesn't really... I guess I could do a better job on it. Yeah, let's go up here. See, I'm kind of making a tangent line. It reminds me of so much math, I don't know, for some reason. Ta-da! And we'll cut this edge. This is definitely interesting slope here. Yeah, that's fine. I mean, if we really want to spend the time on it, we can go back later and just fix everything on it. It doesn't matter. What matters now is that it's okay, and A-okay is okay, alright. That's fine, I guess. I guess it's fine, you know. I really want to spend the time on this. Like, oh, I don't know. Okay, can I find the vertices right here? Fix this vertex. Fix everything here. It's not lining up. And these units are a little too big. Which I just now I just now realized that's what the problem is. That's why the arc didn't work like how I wanted it to. It's because my units weren't up enough. Well, that sucks. It wasn't even a bug after all. Too bad I didn't realize that. Yeah, see, the bigger that I made it, the better it turned out looking, because... Wait, why didn't that select? Why is this vertex not selecting? There we go. Now select vertex. Why is this vertex... What the heck? I'm so dumb. Why does it say selected? Okay, I don't know. That's dumb. It must... Oh, I guess... I don't know. It must only appear in the other one, which doesn't make any sense at all. In the history of Hammer. And we want to raise this edge up just a pinch. That's like the only other ones that really bother me. I think you know, the ones that are really offsetting, the ones you can tell are just really need some help. I think that's good. Yeah, okay. It should start coming down. We can actually end up fixing these vertices here. Did I fix this one? No, I didn't. I'm gonna fix that one first, just cause why not? And I really need to. So do this one. And put this guy back. Ta-da! And it just worked like magic, didn't it? It was so awesome. We just finally got this fixed here. This needs to be at 0. This need to be at 0. Excellent. Just finish this side off here. Cool, cool, cool. This side's getting good. Oh, this didn't... I really didn't take like 2 seconds to fix this. Wow. Okay, well. Lesson learned. Take 2 seconds out of your time to fix the most obvious error. Okay. Great. Now we can take that one. Oh, that's actually already fine. That one's a-okay. We'll take this guy. Fix these edges. We're almost ready to test this out. I don't know what's gonna happen. I think it'll be okay, right? I think it'll be just fine. This guy here, here. And these walls are just about covered up. Ah, there we go. Did I? Oh, I did it differently for that side of it. That's, you know, that's okay. I get why it happens. It happens. Put this guy back. Nice. Why is that side doing that? Nah, that made it worse. If anything, the side should take after this side. This side looks better. Even though it wasn't even better by a long shot. Really does need to be smoothed out. I can't believe earlier I didn't realize why it was doing that thing where it just like didn't come together properly. Ah ha ha, ta-da. Oops, the whole entire wall just got layered with, what is this, metal? Citadel metal wall, yeah. That is indeed how games lay out their textures. Oops, wow. Just put that whole thing down on that. When I have the time, I really elaborate in what I create with this, so... great. Yeah. That's good to just test out, right? I suppose, but the most obviously bad arc is the one that just, like, runs into it immediately. This one right here, you can totally tell if the angle exceeds like 170 degrees or 100, even like 175 degrees. When it exceeds that, it just gets really bad. And like when I say bad, you know, it gets bad. So that really being said, I'm going to scoot this over a final time. Of course, I'm making sure that my units are the same. So that's 2,992. We're going to be sure that we get to that as we fix this. 2,292. Yeah, there we go. And now we'll just... Okay, well... No, No, because I don't wanna move its axis. There we go. And we can just shape this one. Whoops. Oh, come on. I hate when that happens. Okay, so there's selection in the 2D view. I get it. Awesome. Way to waste time. I don't think it's perfect. It needs to be perfect. What's this? I don't think that's perfect either. Oh, I'm sure it is. It's okay. Manuel Morin, hi. It's good to see you too. Or, not that you said it was good to see me, but it's good seeing you. If you've played GMod, this is just a cool little train track that we're going to test out in like seconds, because it's pretty much done right about now. So yeah, we can just take this over to the other side of it and give it a shot. Otherwise, I'd suggest just fixing this little dot right here really quickly. I really should have done more before I ended up doing something different. We need to wait for a second. Is the mic working? Is it working? It says it's working. Is it finally working now? Okay. I don't know what just happened there. I had like a big cut with my mic and I was trying to fix it beneath my computer. But as I was saying, this is a good slope here. But that off the topic, I don't know what just cut out. That was really crazy, but I got this thing cut out, or I'm combining two sentences into one. I don't know why I'm doing that. But this is finally finished, and what I was just saying before is my headset mic just like cut out on me. I had to go underneath my computer and fix it. I finally just got it done, so I had to unplug like the transmitter a little couple times because they were wireless headset. But that's fine. Not a big problem. This is the last one we'll probably be changing right here, and then we'll just, we'll move on to trying out the train probably right now. So we'll go ahead and save it. We'll save the map, run the map, normal, fast, because we don't need to like spend a whole lot of time letting this compile. If anything, I shouldn't have let the lighting compile for this. This should be fine. This is honestly like, this is good. It's at 100% CPU. It should take like, what is this file 2 right here? What is that? I don't even know what that is. Modulo? Oh, that's something else I was trying to work on. It's an executable, but it's designed for getting access to my PC through another area. Where is it? Oh, there it is. There's the Vrad. That's what we were looking for. This entire time I had something like completely getting away from me, and I don't even know why. Maybe I'll have time for a tertiary stream, but I don't know. I don't I don't know if I want to do that because the thing is I'm not getting a whole lot of viewers and I need to like really step this thing up because what's happening is no one's watching my videos because I haven't been getting out those good train videos. The train videos I've been getting out have gotten a lot of views really quickly, and so I think that the more of those I get out, I think that'd be like a lot better. Should be really nice. This here, the good news is that this VRide compiler should be like almost done, so I should get the map to load up and play. Honestly, if anyone like who thinks that this train's just gonna fall off the tracks, well, number one, I do. I don't think it's going to really get through the entire thing like it should, but that I mean, you never know. It might be okay. We'll just go with that. Mm. I mean, it's good to at least get out a stream, so people can watch something. Because I wouldn't want to just work on this map with like no one else or I don't know, nothing to do. I mean, because like I can talk to people while I do this, so it's like 87%, 86%. I mean, it's getting there. You get it. And it should be done. Hey, luckily signed into Steam this time, so that's great. And we should be able to play this. This map should be looking pretty good. Usually when I test out the maps I did, like, because the truth is, like, I can think a lot better when I'm not recording. And that's probably the case for everybody. But if I wasn't recording, I'd be able to get this whole entire map done, like, by now. But it's just weird that way. Like, when you record, it's harder to do things. Which doesn't make sense, like, for the third time, but, Hey, that's the map there. And are we missing anything? No. But this thing here looks really bad. I don't know why. I don't know why it did that. It's not even like part of the wall. Like I'm not even colliding through it. It just doesn't make sense. But this here seemed to work. I mean, this looks somewhat good. And it's kind of smooth, but I can you see, there's a problem there. I don't know what that issue is, and then, oh, I don't know why that did that either. I guess that's kind of that aside. I should have deleted those too. I'm gonna do that like real fast. Where is hammer? There it is. I need to delete that. And why are my physics full? I don't know why. My physics for this are full, if you know what I mean. And that's really dumb. I don't know why. There's a lot of things that don't make sense sometimes. But that's rare. Rare with this good editor. I've used Hammer for quite a while now. I'd like to use Hammer for everything if I could, but oh no, really? No, I was trying to select the other thing and it just selected a whole bunch of other stuff along with it. Oh, that makes sense, because I was trying to get that end of it. Really, why does it matter? If I can just do this, yeah. See, I knew I was wasting my time again. I had those there because I was trying to do something else to make it more smooth. I mean, that's fixed now. We won't have to worry about it, but the least we can do now is just place down a train to try. Of course, I don't have my trains with me. And that's going to end up needing to be put down. So we'll go to Gary's one. I don't have anyone watching right now, so it's okay. What is it? Sligwolf's train. Sligwolf's re-railer, train cars, long diesel. That's what we're looking for. So we'll use GW tool. Put both of these guys into there. They should both extract perfectly fine. Sligwolf's long diesel and train cars. Perfect. That's what we needed. And now that we did that, we can just load this up straight away without any modification. Unblock me on Skype, X Phantom. I never blocked you on Skype, dude. What was your Skype? Let me try looking you up real quick. I don't recall anyone from the name of X Phantom, but hello, Solar Dash. Oh, hi. It's good seeing you, dude. I think you were like someone who subscribed to me from like, I don't know, previously. I haven't really seen that though. Just recently though, I was trying to find what would was something here. Non-classified. That's okay. I remember that. Unclassified one. Let's see. Oh, that's not a nice name, dude. Oh, I got a new subscriber from Solar Dash. Thank you, dude. That means a lot. I know you can't like, oh, what is it? I know you can't like pay $5 for what you do on Twitch, but you know it means a lot to me when you subscribe. So hopefully I can. I don't know why I blocked you, dude. Here, let me try fixing that. Is it? What is it? Privacy? No, what? Advanced. No. Yes. No. General? Man, I don't know where this. Yeah, thank you. Privacy. Is it? Yeah, there. Oh, okay. Yeah, unban. It says unban because I actually changed this. Sorry for the late response on the stream. No, you're fine, dude. Um, besides anything else, I think you blocked me because I was joking about something being classified. I don't recall from that, but I was going to try that with this map. It's in my others, and there it is. It's called Sumter, because this is for Gary's mod map that I did. I instantly just spiked up to 4 watching, so that's cool. I don't know why I blocked you on Skype, though. I don't really remember that. If anything, I should have been, completely out of Skype, because, you know, this was a stream, but either way, it doesn't really matter. If someone starts calling me, I'm sure that's fine. Yeah, I know you're Vortex's friend with the LucasArts Tracer. Wait, did this? No, please tell me it. Oh. Wait, oh, this is still loading. Why? I really hope it didn't do this. If it did this, you know, I'm gonna have to recompile the map, which is gonna suck. I don't think that's new though, so I mean, it wouldn't be too horrid. Oh wow, my whole computer is like just freezing right now. Yeah, we'll go ahead and fix it real quickly. I'm gonna select both these brushes here and select this one. This one back where it needs to be. Perfectly fine. Okay. Okay, A-okay, alright, okay. This one can go right there. That's as good as new, isn't it? And we got our map. I enjoy your house on GMod. Well, thanks. Yeah, that is indeed my house. See, that brush is horrible. And hey, look at that. Just like I was saying, of course it did that. I mean, you know, what can you expect? I gotta actually fix that. I mean, I can't have that like that during the actual thing, so. These couple of things here, I'm gonna delete those. I'm gonna take these guys back down because I need them where they need to be. I don't think these edges here. No, well, yeah, they'll need a little bit of fixing up. That's fine either way. I'm gonna just take this one. Yeah. Perfect. And then we'll be able to get our train in here to, well, you know, that's still looking a little, what is it, sharp. So we'll just take this one and put it where it needs to be as well. Put this guy here. Haha. Ta-da. And we'll take this vertice and align it with this vertice. And then we should be able to like start the map straight away again. Oh, see what's happening now that, well, I don't know. I guess we can just take these and we'll just kind of straighten it out, if you know what I mean, because we're not in a big hurry or anything, but you know, trying to do as best we can. So we'll leave it at that. That should be fine. Without too much of anything to really hesitate on, I think we can just try it out now. I don't think there's like, oh yeah, this, you're wondering what this is. What is that? This over here is a basketball court that I took out of another map. I didn't actually see these basketball hoops here. It's kind of weird. I don't know why it did that, but we'll go ahead and run the map now, because I did end up fixing a load of things this time. And so that's what here is. So VBSP, that just got done. VViz, that's the second step to compiling the map. Are you making a mod? Yes, I am. I am making an add-on mod for Gary's mod. Lots of mods in that sentence, but are you using Hammer? Yes, I am. I'm using the SDK tools for Hammer, and I am creating a Gary's mod map. And that is what I do. I create maps for Gary's mod, and the best I can do, because I've been using this for like 2.5 years. So as great as that is, I love it, and I'm thinking of putting my whole school into it. I have actually, and while that's compiling, I have nothing better to do. I want to view this guy's profile, just get into Steam. But on my profile, I actually have some of the things here. Oh no, I said tried that program, my map was horrible. Don't feel bad. My map was probably worse when I first tried, because the thing is, I used Hammer the first time to recreate this level from this one game. But either way, I think that's fine. Like, if you did horrible, you're pretty much supposed to have done horrible. Like, there's just no way out of that. When you first get used to something, that's just the way it is. And then like, so I've got these maps here. Let's see. The first one I did was like an oil rig. This was how long ago? Let's see. 2016, July 29th. What a golden date there. That's 2 years ago. And then I did these. This one's my house in real life. And then, just all those cool maps, really. And I got a comment. That's not important to anything. And then I'll back out of this. So it's 69% CPU. I mean, I've got like one of the best processors, but it's still. No, we want to go to. Oh, I don't know what graph that. Oh, logical. Yeah, there we go. They're all working really tough on this map just to compile it. It's like it's almost done. I'll be able to get straight into Gary's mod, and I won't have to worry about anything. If you want, like after this, I can show you the horrible map that I did. It was actually pretty funny. It's not like that funny. It's just, How long does it usually take to make a map? A week to a month for me. Let's just put it that way. I started I guess, yeah, that sounds right. I created my house, and that took me about like a month. And really, that's just because I couldn't use the time in every day to do it. Like, I'd have school, I'd have other things to do, and like, other things like that. It's all compensation. But it came out. I got done with it. Everything was okay, all right, and okay, what happened here? That brush is still looking horrible, but that's kind of expected. We got train tracks. One actually comes out the other end here because it goes across a little bump. There's like a bump in the sand where another train can just come over that one. Because, this is supposed to be a railroad. Oh, look at that shadow! That's an amazing shadow. Cool. Because I did like some fairly good lighting compiling, so. And I should have my trains here this time. Yes! Thank you! I have my trains this time. Sligwolf's trains. They're the best. What processor do you have? Just out of curiosity, I have the Ryzen 1700 on 3 gigahertz. 3.1, I think, to be specific. Once I got that processor, I had a whopping fast compiling time, so I was building like maps a lot faster then, because when you have a fast processor, life is awesome. And I got like good drivers. I have the RX 480 graphics card. Like, everything's working up pretty well. I mean, I built the computer myself with the help of my friend, in parentheses, because I haven't built my own computer straight up yet. Oh, that train just fell. Come on, man. Nice. What, did you build your computer? What processor do you have? I mean, I gotta come right back at you, dude, because, I can't say you built it yourself. I mean, if you did, that'd be awesome. I had to have some help with mine. No, I want the train to go this way. Yeah, there we go. Okay, well, it's working. It's not derailing so far. I just needed a thruster because I need to push it forward without it actually doing any issues. And it's coming across this brush just fine. Last time it derailed like straight up, so it hasn't yet. And when it does, I'll be ready because I can fix it really fast. I've done this enough to actually worry about the things I can fix. Yeah, AMD, they've come out with some new amazing tech, so it's awesome. Is it doing okay? Oh, it made a jump. That's what we don't want, but either way, how does this work out? Amazingly. Whoa, that just kicked back. Huh. And you know, I think I can actually load my... Can I? Yeah, it actually did load, and it's on the same map with the same brushes. The only thing is that the coordinates are different. And then this here is like a steam engine, which just happens to have some side of the wheels not correct. I want to go forward. I'm surprised the train even goes with the tracks. Did it need a special model for it? No, not to my knowledge. So I'm gonna have this train go here, and we're gonna have a train collide into it from up here. You know, like let's do something entertaining. Like let's have, oh, I don't know. Let's put this train here. Is it gonna go where I want it, or gonna, no? I'm gonna have to mess with it like a bunch. Of course, trains do this. Got really bad things in between them. Yeah, the first time I used this mod, I was surprised to see, but if you look underneath it, it actually has a little bit of a traction to help it go. Which I'm not going to blame the author for that, because every time I would make a stinking train on my own, they would always derail. It just got to the point where like, no, I want to make a serious train, but then, you know, they derail, and I would always get mad. Of course, I wasn't mad the first time, because I thought it was funny, but then I was more serious about it. Person, man, I don't know what that emoji is for the fingers. Oh, shoot. No, we don't want it to do that. Oh, where is the train? Oh, the steam engine. Oh, no. It's using my keybinds. It's stuck. Oh, people are sending me contact requests now. Okay, well, that did it. Wait, which way do we want it? Oh, we want it to go that way. I mean, I don't know what's gonna happen. I think I can get them to collide at the same time. Ready? I'm gonna have this train go down, and I have this train immediately push forward. This train will come in, and boom, smack dab right on the second train car. Just funny, you know. I was like, you know, we should do something like that. We did it. Except, oh, is that your Skype? Okay. Wait, that's the same one. No. Oh, that's the same person. It's just changed the name. Okay. Oh, the train's actually still going here. It's kind of funny. I don't know why it is. I didn't save that map. Well, there wasn't a reason to save it, but at least I know now that the things are working out. I'm gonna need to clear this. They hit together. They hitched together and flew. Yeah, there's some pretty crazy trains. I've worked hard lately to try to find good trains. The best ones so far are just Sliv Golf's trains, because he's got the best trains. I gotta admit, he really did a good job with them. You know what would make this easy is if I had a re-railer, because I can just like plop trains down. They'll hitch up together. Let's see. Can I need to make something like that soon. But first, we'll start by hitching like at least 3 trains together and being sure that it works, because like, you know, that's kind of where we need to start here. So I'll get all these together. That looks perfectly fine. Got a train there and there. Yes, okay. And we'll put one here. Is it gonna... It's gonna work fine. Of course it's gonna work fine. Why would it not work fine? There we go. It's gonna come up together and hitch with this train. And cling. And we'll cling it with that. And where's my propane tank? My little thruster. We're gonna have... I mean, we could have a longer train go off it. It'll take more work to hitch the cars up, but, you know. We'll start with that. Let's just go ahead and save the map. I don't know how good it's going to do if we try to reload it or attempt to reload it, but... If you know what I mean, because sometimes when... Do you have Discord, MC Gamer HD? I do, but I refuse to use it. Let's just put it that way, because Discord just wasn't a thing to me. Let's see, how's it doing it? I mean, it's going above the entire track like it should be. That's good. That's good. It's gonna be coming off this track here because I have a thruster with it. I'll just pull it forward. There we go. Oh wait. Oh yeah, it is going forward. Okay. Ooh, that part right there is kind of risky. I don't like that. I don't like that because the whole entire top of it could end up coming down. Do we want to get a front row seat for this? I don't know. I could put a seat on top of it. Like really fast. Where's the seats? Seats, no editors. There might not be enough time. Oh, it's vehicle seats. Oh, it did stop for me. So yeah, chairs. Put a chair here. We'll weld it. Now we'll go forward. Are we going forwards? Yes, I think so. Yeah, we are. We're going down. We're going down with a however long train. Can I get third person? No, I meant third. No, I meant third person. No. Oh, come on. No, it's too late now. It's already going. I forgot how to go third person. You guys can probably already tell where this is going. I want something really cool. This slope here, I don't know why that slope is doing that. Let me go back and see real quick. I don't think the slope should be doing that. Oh wow, I just put a decal. Oops, I don't want that. Oh, that's the trigger line. Okay. Trigger zone. Because that's where things get triggered. No, I'm kidding. This is a... Wait, oh. This is a viz cluster. What this does is it tells the engine to skip faces so that they can see each other when it does optimizing. Yeah, this side works okay. I like this. If it collided into this track, that's expected. Like, what else is it gonna do? It actually worked just fine, which I'm... Oh, look at that. I can just do this. I don't know why it seemed like it would be harder to fix. Which, oh, well that's, you know, that's because I took the time to do something else with it. Can I delete? No. No, I don't even know why I did this. Why did I do this? This doesn't make sense. Because if you look at these two here... Oh, are they curved? I don't think they're curved. Are they? I have GMod my other account. Well, hey, maybe we can do something together sometime. It would be awesome is to have like a bunch of people and then we just all like play something. That'd be cool. Have like a big stream of it too. But you gotta add me on Steam though, you know? That's the agreement. I mean, I'm pretty sure everyone knows what my stream is. So, yeah, well, it's just the YouTube channel name if you didn't know that by now. How are we gonna go about this? We want this to be kind of... Are these two vertices, right? Yes, they are. I think these are two vertices. Can I carry one out? No, they aren't two vertices. I thought they might be. I'm gonna X out a morph to make those changes work. I thought they might work out. Okay, but that's besides the point. We'll delete this one, we'll delete that one, and then we'll just take we'll take this side. We'll start with this side. And simultaneously, I don't think people are going to realize, I don't think people are going to care when I release the map, but I'm going to merge these together. That should be pretty ghost. No one's going to really notice that. So, yeah, that'll be great. And then we won't have to worry too much about the train cutting the corner and having like a really sharp turn, you know. And then, like, of course, that leaves me great, like, with just putting... Oh, what is it? This side, yeah. I can just take this entire side, move it upwards. Just like a little hourglass. And they actually, yeah, they're still right where they need to be, which is great. And what just happened here? Oh, did one of them change? No. I don't know why one looks bigger than the other. No, that's normal. Okay. So we'll take the bottom of these. Oh, it's the top. It's the top. Okay. Forces me to hit enter so I can get... Nope, don't. No! Ah! 2 years using this and I'm having issues? Ah. Oh, cool. That just came together perfectly fine. Where's my no draw? I need no draw. Thank you. Because we don't want these textures to see each other. Thing just behind it went all crazy. And there we go. And I think we can just start it up now. But before we do, I am going to really quickly build what's called a re-railer. And what this is awesomeness. And I'll show you why. So I'm going to take this entire thing down here. I think it actually... Yes, it does. It does do that. I'm going to split... Actually, I'm going to change this entire thing right here to no draw first. I'm going to apply it. Oh, if I didn't select it already. I'm going to apply it there. I'm going to take these two brushes here. Now, wherever the bottom of the rail is... Oh, which is right there. Okay. I think I can remember that. I'll crease it along this line. We'll look in this direction, and you can actually see the two brushes here. And we'll double click it again. Just like that. And so what we just did was we made it so that the top is selectable differently from this one. And so we can delete both of these. And that allows us to expand this track if we so desire. And I'm going to take both of these out. Right to where it turns because I don't want it to do something else. That something else is off my head right now. And just like that, perfect. And I'm gonna take I don't know where that golden line is, but well, yeah, we can put it just like this. Perfect. Yeah, that works. Now we're gonna need it. This rail here actually comes out to the side of it, which is exactly what we're looking for. But we're gonna need to take this side and just flatten it just one more time, just like that. That should be good. Because we can put our trains up here a lot more easier. And as if that weren't easy enough, you'd probably be surprised because it actually gets easier to put your trains up here. Because what we're gonna do, this rail right now, both these rails are actually already situated. But we're gonna go to the very end of this, and we're gonna trim this side, just like that, and trim. Okay, these sides are both. Yeah, I knew they weren't no draw. We won't worry about that right now. But we'll take this side and this side. Actually, I'm going to start with this side. And I'm going to do this. I'm going to move them over. And this will make it easy to put your trains on there. And like I said before, I haven't really gotten as to why it gets easy. But trust me, it'll help. So, that's okay there. And we're going to need an angle. Do I really need like an extra block to do this? I'd wish that I didn't need to, but yeah. That's okay. We'll just take this one. We'll go like maybe this big. Yeah, that works. And we're going to make this a block of no draw. Whoops, not the whole thing there. Just want that no draw. Oh, come on. I forgot to change this to block because I did. Yeah. Makes me have to reselect all of it and put it back. Just like this. I'm sure like that just caught a lot of the viewers off guard. I just got 2 comments, so I'll have to look at those in a second. And put that one there. Now, that'll make it easy for me to just go like that. Straight across, like a triangle, like you'd see anywhere else. But it's almost a perfect triangle, except I'm going to expand it out to about that much. Yeah, that should be okay. And that will make it easy to put your trains down on. And it might not be obvious right away why, but you'll see what I do, and hopefully it'll make sense. I'm going to delete that side. Yep, so then those come together and put our rail here. Excellent job, okay. And the bottom of this can be textured. Now we can just take this side here. So it really blends together. Like if you were to just look at this, like you can totally tell nothing of an illusion is happening. So that's kind of the key. It's supposed to look good. What can we do here? Well, we're going to need to flip it. And this is actually what's known as a mirror. So we'll go to the x-axis and we'll do 180 there. And yeah, wait, did that? No, it did it. It did it the other way. I meant for the y-axis then. Close, I think. Yeah, because then if I just do 180 here, no. Okay. Because I need to change it in the other direction of what it is now. There we go. Look at that. Just took a little bit of magic, but I got it. Now we can cut this wedge off here. Oops, we don't want that to happen. We want to trim it. Select this one. We'll go up to here. Hit enter because we don't want that brush. And then there we go. And now it's a central loading zone for train cars. Honestly, we can just, yeah, we can go all at this right here. Like, let's just select these two, because these are identical. These are, I forget what they're called exactly. They're nothing really special. It's a, I don't know. It's not, is it a tessellation? I don't know what a tessellation is exactly. I'll learn about it this year in geometry, though. Let's do 180. There. Oh, that did nothing. Why did that do nothing? Let's do 180 on the x-axis. There we go. As easy as that. Because it's like, well, you can look at which way you want to flip it, but it just takes a little bit of magic to figure it out. And that should be fine. Yeah, so I'll take this side here and align these points up here. And I can delete this edge of it. I'll go here, select this corner, follow where it lines up perpendicular, and there we go. So, just as we were wanting it, and now we can go ahead and recompile the map and do all that fun stuff over again. I'm just being sure that that's textured properly, not that it matters a huge amount. So, trains can come over here, but they're not going to derail. It just won't let them derail because there's nothing that they're going to fall into. Yeah, like I said, when they get up to this point, they're going to drop. And with that drop, what that drop does is it allows them to kind of free move. So any of the rails that weren't moving or on the track previously, they will be able to move this time and get back re-railed. So if a train did an entire circle around here, circumnavigate, I'm not saying these words right, but I hope you understand what I meant there. Like if the train did a full loop, I'm gonna start the map, just try it out. Then it would re-rail all the tracks basically, and it'd be like a lot easier to place down tracks. And I just got a couple comments on YouTube, so while that map compiles, I'll go ahead and answer those comments. I don't know why it's lagging. I have like a 3.2 processor. Oh, it's the subscriber for Solar Dash. I'm so glad he subscribed to me. It means so much that he took his time out of the day to click the subscribe button. Do we want to... No, we can just mess around while it's trying to compile. I mean, I can just watch here as it goes. And it's probably going to take... I mean, I'm sure I've got like 5 minutes free to mess around. Of course, this isn't fixed with what we previously just did, so we're waiting on that. Once we can do that, it'll be so much easier to mess around with these trains. And I will be able to get out a ton of videos, hopefully, on the trains and what they can do. Like probably videos of the trains doing roller coasters. Oh, I just got a comment. Love to all the subscribers, they are awesome. Yeah, they are really awesome. I've had this channel for, oh boy, 3.5 years, I think. I don't know exactly. What is my first video on this channel? I'm gonna X out of GMod because now I'm kind of going off on a tangent here. I don't want to waste time. Oh, is that the stream? Yeah, that is the stream. What is my first video that I ever uploaded? I don't even remember. It's probably like something really old, something really crazy. Let's go to videos. We'll keep scrolling through all the videos just to find what my last video on my channel is. That's a 3 month ago, 7 months ago, video. I'm gonna have to keep going through all these. I guess it takes a lot of bandwidth to load these thumbnails, so especially if they're in 4K, which YouTube actually doesn't allow. Oh, there's the old Minecraft stuff. 2 years ago. Nah, all that fun old stuff. And is this my oldest video? Snow Slayer, my Halo Reach mod map. That's my oldest video. Isn't it a Banjo-Kazooie Nuts and Bolts vid? I don't remember. I didn't think so. I don't know. I thought it was something older. When was this uploaded? I don't know. December. Oh my gosh, that's so long ago. I made that mod map for Halo. I know the map compiled now, so I don't have to worry about it. I'll just go to the map like this. No one has to worry about anything because the map is already compiled. We'll go straight to it. There we go. I was hoping to kind of get into interactive disassembly lately. I've wanted to do other things. Long time no chat, right? I'm not a extremely fast typer, but this is oh, that's a book I was gonna listen to for school. And this is, wait, did it just not work? No, this is still doing okay. I'm not sure. Let me put the stream back over here. Back to 2 watching again. And what just, I don't know what happened there. This is still looking really wonky. I don't know why. That's, yeah. Well, we'll go back up here. Hey, that looks like that's fixed. Oh no, it was over here. Which you can like totally tell is fixed. If we go over here, the entire thing is just put back right where it needs to be. This little crease here was not supposed to be there. But I don't know why it is there. That's fine. So, what the train can do with this nice little gap right here? Well, like I was saying, so if I have a train, I can spawn it right here. You see that? Now, guess what happens if I just boost the train to this other side? I don't think it's gonna fall. Is it? It did fall. That's because it, no, why did it fall? I'm actually kind of confused. I think it's because it was falling, but then it like... No, it's because it's not. It's too tall. Okay, well, we know what to fix now. And who just... Oh, my father just got me stars, turns out. Oh, never played that game. Stellaris, let me full screen this. Well, first of all, I'm going to need to make this taller. Like, not even that much, just like that much. And then second, we're going to need to put it out at least 20 units, 15 units maybe. And it should be completely done. That's literally all we needed to do to fix this. It was so dumb of an error that like I wouldn't even count it as an error. Save it and run it. Now it gives me more time to do other things. I don't know. I'm pretty... Oh, we just got someone who added me. I don't know exactly. Probably someone in the stream. Maybe not. I don't know. I was most sure that my first YouTube video was not this mod map thing, though. This is just something for Halo Reach. Yeah. Car there. It's an old video. I used my Q36 processor on it, so don't be too surprised of why it's doing that. 3 watching. Yeah, there's the actual stream. Hey, it's me, McGamerHD. Oh, it's nice seeing you, dude. I haven't actually, I remember you commenting on a few of my other Nuts and Bolts videos, but I haven't actually, like, I haven't gotten to know you a whole lot. I know you asked a couple things once, but... Weren't you the one asking if it worked on an what was it, an LT Xbox? If those mods would work on an LT Xbox? I don't know exactly, but... I don't even know what an LU? I don't remember. It sounds like it'd be something like that. This map is just about done, so we can go ahead and try it out when it is. The stream has already gone over an hour, so I'll probably call it a quit soon. Probably when this decides to work, and then I can work on it on my own and get something finally finished. It's just almost done. Basically, it's a space grand strategy game from Paradox Interactive. TM. I don't know what TM is. Apocalypse DLC. Stellarius. That's cool. Hey, it's me, McGamer HT. That's cool to see. Is this done? You know what? I'm not gonna compile VRAD next time. I just think that that's like kind of useless, if you know what I mean. Because if I compile RAD, it's just gonna take longer to compile, which I'm waiting for it to finally get done so we can try the Gary's Mod map. There's a copyright, trademark emoji, Steam facepalm. Oh, yeah. Maybe there is. Maybe there isn't. Suck if there is, though. Well, it depends on what you're doing, because, well, Xbox RG ain't a wire on it. It came loose, and oh, you can't solder it. Well, that's one of my problems. I never RGH'd my console because I didn't have a soldering iron. Even though I could have bought the CR4 XL mod chip with the NAND X and the NAND flashing, the EEC thing with, no, not Nano Core. Oh my gosh, what was it called? NAND. Well, I know it was NAND X, but there was JRunner. That was one of them. And there was XGUI. I think those were the tools that let you do it. Okay, is this finally gonna do what we want it to? Because, you know. And if I think it's just too hard of an angle, but let me put it slowly. If I just take it slowly, what happens? See, I knew it would work nice and easy. Yay! Whole thing works just like I thought it would. Longer than expected, but it works. XE flash. That was probably one of them. I mean, man, I could put a really long train on here if I wanted to. See, because here's what's gonna happen. I can take a thruster, right? Where's my thruster? Thruster. Yep. I can put it at the back of this train, have it push that train forward, which will allow me to link these trains together, if it'll come together. There, I just linked it, even though it didn't really sound well. Those link. They're pushing together too much. Well, it is pushing the entire train down like I want it to, so that's good. See, now, you see this wheel here, how it's like, it's not railed properly. Well, guess what? Well, kind of got a little sharp, but that's okay, because it's functioning how I want it to. So, that is great, yeah. And so these train cars here, I mean, I've got a good computer, so I'll be able to simulate this pretty well. And you see it's getting itself on there too, so that's absolutely awesome. I'll have this guy come down. I'm not gonna drive the train. I'm just like, oh no, what happened here? We got a little bit of a problem. Which, you know, could call for another re-railer type thing. Oh, it did it right there. Why did it do that? I have no idea. Oh! That looks wrong. That looks off right there. I'm gonna have to fix that when I can. There's already trains going down the hill. These two didn't quite derail. That's nice. These decided to work perfectly fine, and they're just coming down. Whee! That one will just jump off there. See, because I could make... Oh, that one just did a full backflip. I have no idea why. I made a save game, didn't I? Let me try loading that. This was this one here, right? Oh, it works so beautifully. Look at that. Just what I needed. Okay, let's put a thruster at the beginning of this. Have it go forward, as a matter of fact. And we'll just... I mean, should we have it come full speed? I don't know. It shouldn't really bother it. Yeah, see? They all just rail properly. properly as expected, as they should. There we go. Right across the beam of it. Make trains go super fast. I mean, I can if I can put enough of the thrusters on it. You can see it's like already trying to break as it goes down it. There's a bunch of sparks at the side because it's like having a problem. Okay, I need to do what you said though. I need to have the train go like really fast. And I'm laughing, I know, because it would be kind of hilarious. This, okay, does this go forward or backwards? No. Oh, that's a previous one. This one, I mean... Oh, see, this one actually has the thrusters built on. Well, okay, I can do what you said, though. I'll put these at, like, the most maximum thrust they can go. And I'll hit the back arrow, I think it is, because that'll make them go, like, really crazy, stinky fast. It's gonna go so fast down this that I'm not even gonna... Oh my god. Yeah, it just, like, tugged away. Like, and I don't want to do it too much. See, I don't want to derail the train. See, because I could make a jump, right? I could make a loop for this train to go around. I could make one of those circles, hollow out the circle, and then make, like, this big train roller coaster. I don't even know. I'm sure it would be so hilarious. I just need the time on it. It's going so fast. I barely tapped on the thrusters, and that's why I'm laughing, because it like shot them as like fast as it could. Okay, ready? Oh my god. It's so fast. A few days ago, one of my cats pudged at a bloating belly, and so my mother played rental rent, take her to Dora, my other cat to the vet. Oh, Polar Express. Oh my gosh, I need more time. Like, I can make a train loop. Should I try to do that, like, really fast? I don't know. If I used hammer to make it, okay, I'm most sure before I do that, I'm gonna actually get out of this because I don't want it to get in the way. Because what's gonna happen, I'm gonna go back into hammer and it's probably gonna have something for me to go and do. I don't know what this is, invalid game down here. Some weird error. If I go into this, it's probably gonna say, no, it actually didn't, which is kind of surprising. But one of the errors we encountered were these wedges here, because when trains go too fast on them, they just don't work. So we'll take this one. What's this? Turns out Pudge's utteries spell. Yeah, I know. Oh, uterus. We're filled with infection. A few days later, she'd likely die to the infection. I've never heard of a uterus infection. Oh, okay. Yeah, see, because I mean, if as long as this is suspended into the air, that's what we're looking for. I'm gonna have all the time in the world with this to get a bunch of YouTube videos out. And you know what? To be honest with you, I should have probably expanded this entire re-rail system, because I think that it would be a lot better off being expanded. So we're gonna do that like really fast. We're gonna have this entire thing like be expandable. Let's go like up to here. We'll take, oh boy, I don't know, like these guys here. We'll put them all the way up, and we'll touch these. Super, super easy edit, and then we'll just take this one, which they should be symmetrical with, or not symmetrical. They should be lined up with each other. You can take this one, put it where it needs to be, which would be right where it ends, so right there. And now it's going to work like perfectly fine. Of course, I forgot about that little problem though, like back at the beginning where it didn't come in perfectly fine. But it's, I mean, you know, that's what we're after, trying to get it perfectly fine. Oh, there it is. Yeah, this one we can just push it over, no problem. What was... Oh, I see. We'll take this one down right there. Yes. Yeah. We can put this one forward. And boom, those will work just fine. Just how I want them to. And now, I mean, we can put a stinking long train on here and we'll have it just go off the jump. Of course, we had a little bit of a problem. I can't remember specifically what it was, but the train came around this corner here, and it got derailed. I don't know why. These brushes, I mean, the brushes look fine, don't get me wrong, but I'm having this strange projection error when I went down here, and honestly, it might just be that it's not closed in enough, but I mean, I suppose that's too simple of a guess, because if it did go one way, then it wouldn't, I mean, it would be sufficient for the other side. You know what? I think that's what the problem is, because I don't think they became too close together. I think the opposite happened. Because I think what the game is looking for, and, well, I can't fix that very easily. So I think we'll just call that good. Let's put a jump. How about that? We'll put a jump. Let's create a jump really quickly, really fastly. We will create, and we can take, yeah, we can select like half of this entire thing right here. Let me ignore groups. Really fastly. We'll select the entire thing right here, and we'll go downwards because we don't want to select something otherwise. Let's see. We're looking for the bottom of it. Wait, was it the top or the bottom? Okay. It was the bottom. I mean, that's what we need. Yeah, so we'll go right here to the end of it. We'll just select the whole thing. That should be okay. We'll select the whole thing for now. And of course, this guy over here is going to complain on me. I don't know why. Then we can go back over here. Select these guys, which was really initially what I had done to the beginning. Sorry about that. Just some stupid thing. Didn't think fast on. Okay. Now, we're going to copy this. We're going to go back over here. And now, right where this train is, train track, the second train track that goes like under the map, we're going to slide it back. And we're going to have it go probably further back. I'd say like over here. Maybe a little more forward, yeah. I can make a ton of train versus videos with this too. That'd be awesome. And now, oh, I just had that entire thing selected. Please don't do that to me. And there we go. Right there. Is it where, yeah, I think it's where it needs to be. Yes, yes, okay. And now we can take this corner here and make the incline as sharp as we want it. Let's have the jump be, oh, I don't know, that big, maybe. And we'll have, well, we're going to need to raise this side up because it's not coming together. If you see, that might be too big. Well, I don't know, because what can happen is we'll just select this area here. We'll just like that, we'll hit enter. And that's what we need to delete. We'll delete that. We'll start by deleting that. And voila. Well, it might have been too much to delete, but maybe we'll delete like this much, I suppose. Yeah, we can delete that much. So this jump will be like amazing for the train. Like the train will love this, right? And then we can just texture these sides. We can start the map straight up like pretty much right now. I'm so excited to try it. I can have any train of any kind that I want, and this will work perfectly fine. That's one of the fundamental theorems of this. This is why I'm making this map, so I don't have to worry about making something with track assembly every time I want to do a stinking train thing. I can select this, put that there. Yeah, because those brushes line up perfectly fine. Da-da-da. And we'll Textures. Why did it do that? Hey, come on. Oh dear, it's gonna do this. We want it like right there. Oh, I see. Yeah, so then we can select this. We can put it there. Just like how we want it to. And that will be fine. Because now it can just go straight off the jump. Nothing will really have to matter anymore. And ta-da. Put this guy here. Ding, ding. Now we're just putting metal on metal. The train's gonna love this. If anything, I might need to end up squeezing the rail together a little more, but not right quite yet if it's necessary. Because of course that's gonna get kind of boring really fast. I think that this would be great though. Oh dear. There we go. Hit save, and we'll start the map because there's nothing else to it. It was literally all we needed to do. Well, it's nice we did that. And in fact, while that goes, I, on the other hand, if this can move, the whole window is stuck. Why is it doing that? That's not funny. Oh. Why is it doing that? Why is this stuck? I can't move the Gary's Mod window. Come on, move. Oh, is it this? No, that's not what the problem is. I can't even move the whole Gary's Mod window. I'm gonna need Alt F4 in it and get out of it. Why is it stuck? HL2.exe task kill. Thank you. It's gonna go all PowerShell nuts on it with CMD if it wouldn't close like I wanted it to. Wow, okay, that goes to show that when it compiles maps, it takes like a lot of my CPU. It's not doing a whole bunch right now. It's 16 logical processors and it can't even compile the map like I want it to. Arrgh. Yeah, see, Rad's still working. I don't know why this is just blank, which we're trying to wait for. I don't know how long it's gonna take, but, you know, whoever it decides. Go, 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 Gary's Mod. You know, I know what the problem is. It's because of this. To be honest with you, I probably shouldn't have compiled lighting, because it's going to be taking quite some time now. Which, you know, I have no understanding on. This is still trying. No, I mean, it's letting me move it around now. Of course it's not going to work. Yeah, I know. You're not... Wow. I don't know. This is weird. What is Hammer doing? I can't even see Hammer. Alt-Tab... Where is it? No, that's OBS. Whoops. Hammer... Oh, that is Hammer. I don't know why it's just in one window. Does this work on Xbox One? Oh, I need to move that out of the way. Why? Well, we're just waiting on it to finish compiling. That's all that this literally is. And if I try to start up Gary's Mod, it just freaks out on me, which was a really dumb idea. Oh, not really, because it just actually finished compiling. Great. So now my computer isn't locked, literally locked, and I can go back. Oh, I just got a comment. So while the map loads, does this work on Xbox One? No, it does not. You need a JTAG Xbox. That's probably too fancy, but hopefully he understands. Intel i7 with hyper-threading. I don't have an Intel i7. I'm never going to be using Intel because I don't like Intel. I mean, Intel's awesome, get me right, but, or, you know, get that straight. But the thing is, like, AMD made their things, like, a lot cheaper, which is what Intel is actually trying to get towards. But, to be honest, if I could review one of their products in exchange for the product, that'd be awesome. They used to do that. By the way, my real name is Alex. Same here. Was that Hunter? Yeah, that was Hunter. Yeah, he's not. I don't think he's actually watching the stream. Where is the... Oh, I was trying to get to the... Did I just close out of my stream? I don't think so. No, I did. I did close out of it. Live stream, because I want this off to the side where I can just see something. If someone comments, you know what I mean? Wow, that just really went all crazy on me. Okay, I don't know why that doesn't work. Why would that not work? Let's see what the problem is here. Let's go underneath it. Oh, and what do you know? I didn't raise it up. Huh. Well, we're gonna need to wait another 15 minutes as we talk about something, because the thing wasn't up enough. And we gotta go across this enormous map, because I like making big maps, okay? That's one of the things. Hopefully you enjoy that, because big maps are the way to go. And I don't care what exception people have on that. Let's... Oh, because if it's going to get raised up, then that means... Well, let's give it some no-draw. Because we're going to do a little more geometry work on it. Where's the... Oh, there's the live stream. There's 2 watching now. It's okay. I know it's boring because we have to do this. Oh, I see. Okay. Well, then we might end up just kind of leaving it like that. Unless we just trimmed the corner off of it, like, by a little bit. Because I think that would be... I think that would be okay. I think that would be perfectly fine if we just took the corner off of it. See, because trains coming in now aren't going to have so much of a problem, if you know what I mean. What is this doing? Oh, okay. Because we can take the vertice here, and I don't know if I shaped that differently or what, but I think that's fine. Yeah, it's fine. We'll call it that. We'll save it. And, well, actually, I would like to fix the other side of this. I'm so sorry. Oh. Yeah, I was looking at the wrong side of it. It's like a long hot dog. And we'll trim it up to here, to here. That's what we want, yeah. Because we'll get rid of that, and that'll work fine. Oh, because that was going to go down. Then we might want to just push it forward. Which isn't going to hurt it, because, you know, it can just do the other thing. Yeah. Which is actually what I should probably do for this side, too. Just carry it forward to where it... Which it already is carried forward. Yeah, so we'll save it and we'll run it. And we'll call that that. And if which I'm pretty sure it's going to, but I wanted to run Gary's mod. Okay, right when vviz is done, I'm just gonna close vrad. Yeah, I don't need vrad. Let's just end it and let's get straight to Gary's mod. See how fast my maps can compile when I don't actually care for anything else other than just the map itself. Because what I did there was I stopped it from compiling lighting, which takes like the longest of... Actually, sometimes the optimization can take the longest, but... Yeah, the map is full bright, but deal with it, because you would have been waiting for like 15 minutes for it to fix itself. And of course, the whole thing isn't visible. That's why we do this. We don't wait for so long for something to not work. And boom, we can get this side. And this other side, completely concrete. Don't need to see it. Or no draw, yeah. I could care less about seeing that side of it, but yeah, we're gonna need to do that. And if we come out to here, does it do the same thing here? No, why is that? Because they both come out some of the ways, which is what we kind of want to do here. And if we do that, we can take this side, apply it to that side and that side. Perfect, great, okay. Now, for the grand finale, the moment we've all been waiting for. Save and run. And now we're gonna have some train fun. I think it's a good time for a train fun break. And this should take like, oh, there we go. Now I can run it, and in fact, next time I'm just gonna uncheck the VRAD. Oh no, I got a 0 area child patch. That's not something a mapper likes to see. I don't know exactly what it means, but I know it's not cool. It's not cool, okay? It indicates that something is wrong with the map that I'm not absolutely sure about what it is. Okay, now, finally, if we spawn a train, and like, I'm so confident this will work that I can just like, there we go. I'm just gonna slam a train at this other side of the rail, and I totally know, yep, there we go, completely oriented onto the track like we wanted it to. So, let's create, oh, I don't know, the Polar Express. Like, let's grab these passenger cars. I don't know how many cars does the Polar Express have? I don't know. Like 6? That's 6 cars there, right? Nope, one too big. Okay. And now I'm gonna get a thruster here. Not a big thruster. That's a, no, we want the force to be kind of less than that. Let's do force up to there. So what it'll do is it'll push up to this car, which I hope to link together, which it won't let me link it together. I don't know why. Here, stop. It's not linking. There we go. I don't know why that took so long. There we go. You used to be able to go to the other side of the cars, and like you used to be able to go into the driver's seat of the train and just start the whole train like that, linking the cars together anyway. And of course it's gonna stop, but I can link it just like that, and we can unrail the entire thing, and it should be pushing the train forward still, but like barely, because it's just not enough force, you know. We can have a thruster going like this. Actually, let's put one in here so no one sees it. So we'll push forward very secretly. You can see that it's not letting the rails of the train completely get off rotated. It's supposed to do that so that when it gets up to this point, they'll just all come in together like they are designed to. It's a function designed to throw everything back to where it should be. It's amazing. I love the re-railer theory like this. It works so good. Everything just railed properly. It never doesn't work. And there we go. And it should be, actually, I mean, I have one watching now, so and it just did that thing. I don't know why. Why did it do that? It's so weird. I'd love to see what makes it do that. Oh no. Okay, well, it's going down. Oh, it's getting kind of high air there, but ooh, and off the jump it goes. Oh, let's go back. Let's put all the trains back where they need to be, and this time we'll color the cars blue. Yeah, we'll color the cars blue or something. I don't. Yeah, we'll put this guy here, and we're not going to do what we did before, because what happened is I think the. Can these be railed properly? Let me take these back together. No, I want to rail them. Rail, yay, or cling them together. Yeah, that's the word I was looking for. Passenger short, long. We want the long rail cars. These are the coolest. And what did it? Oh, I thought it just did something weird. There, links those. I'm trying to link them as best as I can, because sometimes it doesn't give me the camera angle to do so. Come on. Trying to link it. There we go. I'll link this one. And oh, I just unlinked it. There we go. Yeah, now we're gonna go straight forward. Let's give it some color here. Not light. We want color. Blue color. Actually, Polar Express color-ish. That color doesn't bother me. Let's have some orange engines, or yellow engines. Yeah, okay. And now we'll grab our thruster. I'm not sure how big it should be. It shouldn't be like really big. We can put it there, and we can save the map, and we will never have to worry ever again about something else, because we've got... Here, I like that picture. That's a nice picture. Yeah, I like with the blue background and the train. And really, it's just going forward now and working like it should, so... I mean, that's what I want to see. I can trust that that little function there will work. Now, what is the problem here? What is it doing? It must... I don't know. See, it doesn't look like it's having a problem now, which it clearly does have a problem with later. There it goes. Whee! Oh, it gets really airborne there. It's going really fast. Whee! Where did it hit? We should put like a target. We should totally put like a... Well, actually, we're gonna need to reload the map. Now, so we'll put our train here. We'll have him start coming forward, right? And then I'll grab our good old stacker tool. We'll come right over here. I mean, I know that train's coming forward. I know it's gonna work properly, so we got time. Where's my stacker? I don't have my stacker tool. Are you serious? Okay, well, either way, we'll just put semi-crates down. Really want to play like that then, huh? We'll just put semi-crates down. Yeah, they can hit the semi-crates. The train is totally gonna love this. Ready? Oh, the train's gonna love it, but I will. Oh boy, here he comes. It's just railed properly. Perfectly working, too. I'm glad. I don't like how the back of it right here whiplashes in the air, but, you know, it's okay. Oh, man. Totally gets... Ka-fling, everything goes flying in the air. I have this other idea, and so if I load the trains here, let me grab, oh, what is it? It's one of my dupes. Let me see if I can find it. It was the one that has all the colors that go everywhere when you smack it. Which one is that? No, it's not that one. No, I think it's back here. Yep, there it is. We're gonna put that right here. Ooh, everything's kind of moving. That's okay. Let's hurry. Hurry, train. I just called the train over, so he should be coming. Yeah, there's a keybind that I have that starts the train to come, so that's, you know, that's awesome. Train is over here. I made this extra rail for it to go on this end. I can't say I've ever used it, but... should we get a seat this time? Let's get a seat. If we can. Okay, well, we're sitting here. We're sitting backwards. Actually, oh, we don't want to do that. No, I'm sure it doesn't matter. Goes the back of the cars. Here comes the train. And the back of it whiplashing in the air. That's like the most funniest part. Oh, there we go. Oh, it just had too much physics to even push all of them. Really, it should have just pushed all of them, but it couldn't. The game couldn't calculate it fast enough, I guess, or I don't know. I don't know how it works. This is our... Should we add more cars to it? Yeah, let's add more cars. We're totally gonna do that. Let's have some well, no, let's do some coal cars. Yeah, coal cars. Cling. Cling. Okay. Now we'll have some engines to push it and help it go more. And I'm being literal when I say that, because I'm gonna put like actual thrusters at the back of these engines. See, because we'd have up here a thruster pulling that side, and we could have a thruster on the other side. Maybe these engines back here can be black. No, I don't know. We'll see. We'll put one thruster, because really one is all that it takes. Well, I suppose it's using another thruster there, but it is using two altogether, so it should be enough. And then what is it we want to color? Yes, color. We want it to be pretty. A pretty train. That's a really nice color. I like that. Let's save the map. I'm not gonna give it a name or anything like that. I can make so many different trains and put them up here. I knew I needed a map like this. Like, this map is just amazing. And see, because the engine back here pushes the ones up front. And then I have right here my amazing function to put every car wheel railed properly. See how it just shoved everything back onto the rail as is. And perfect. And we're already going downhill. There it goes. Oh, whoa! That's some air. Oh my gosh. That was pretty high. And that's just going off a jump. The whole thing didn't even go with it. Let's reload that, shall we? And it works perfectly as I reload it. No, there's no issues like there tends to be. I don't know what I'm gonna do about the whole train whiplashing in the air like that. It's just too much inertia. It's hilarious. I don't know. We should do something like really funny. We should put something on the track. Maybe. I don't know. Yeah, let's do that real fast. What can we put on the track? A dolly. We'll put a crate. Oh, the train's coming, so we better hurry. A fridge, another fridge. Oh, let's put some crates. Yes, okay. This will be pretty funny. Ready? Oh, and gas. Yeah, we need gas. Oh my gosh, that train's coming so fast. It refused to push all of it because the game can't calculate enough to push, so. It's so funny. And that gets, we'll just fling that in the air. I don't know why, for the fun of it. Let's spawn the train again, because we love doing that. It's so fun. Let's have it go backwards this time. I want to actually see how good this is at going the other way, because it better get used to it. Let's just put it that way. That there isn't a problem. I thought it might be, but no. Well, if the train goes this way, it's going to work fine. Yeah, see all the bits and pieces, the wheels gets put back together just how I want it to. And everything is just together as is. Can't go any faster. I want it to go faster, but at the same time it's gonna derail, so that's not good. Is this yeah, this is a front row seat, so you can see how we're going. And I died because I got out, and then the train smacked me from... yeah, okay. Oh, you see where the track is over here? Let's do something fun. Let's come underneath it, and let's put a rocket to shoot up and blow it up. Where's my rockets? Can I not get them in time? I don't think oh, missiles! Yeah! Okay. Let's have this guy shoot up. Oh, it's not gonna get it. Let's do it over here then. Cool. There we go. That should go up. It should fly up and hit the train. Should it? Yeah, I think it should. It's gonna hit like in the middle of it too. Boom! It just derailed one of the cars. Such oh no, I didn't notice that. Well, too late now. Oh, that just makes the whole train fall, doesn't it? Yep, there goes all the cars, just pulling off of it really hard. That sucks, but it's okay. Let's have him actually go down the jump this time, though. We're gonna do the jump. Jump, jump. And train's going this way. Let's stop it. Let's have it go forward now. Reason being, I want it to kind of slow down so it doesn't have so much inertia, which it will slow down, but it'll just take a little time. It's nice to have a slow moving train like this because, you know, it's not really in a hurry. You can tell that this arc here really tries to push the train really hard to turn, but it's coming down slowly, which is what we're after. I could make I could copy this entire train, put it over here for like train wars or something. Like one train comes out the other side and the train hits the trains from both sides. It'd be cool. It would just take a lot though. Take a lot to create. Of course the back of it is like kind of getting really derailed. Just like all flies in the air like it should. That's probably it for today, everybody. I've made this level as best as I could. I'll be releasing it to Steam probably some other time later on. I definitely need to like fix the middle of this track here because if some of you saw earlier, I'm getting kind of an issue just right here, and it doesn't seem to want to come together like it should. Because if I go into, Hammer, I know it looks perfectly fine. I know I wouldn't have done that incorrectly on purpose, so yeah, I don't know what that issue is, but I'll fix it later. Anyways, I'm probably gonna be leaving up to now. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe and have your notifications on. I'll be sure to have out another stream. You guys should be able to comment, and if you do, I'll be sure to answer any questions that you have. And yeah, I'll leave it at that. Thank you for watching, everybody, and I'll see you in the next stream or video.